Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to embed a Twitter feed on Bluehost. So I just tap on Safari browser, and before you creating an account you will have to must purchase the plan. And if you want to buy the premium or subscription of Bluehost, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me, and after you creating an account, so here is you will see the to embed a Twitter feed on Bluehost website. You can use the Bluehost website builder to add HTML code. So number one is access to the Bluehost website builder. Second, click the sections icon. Third is select custom HTML CSS from all categories. Fourth is select the blog section to add your HTML code. And fifth, click the gear icon or the edit content button. Six is enter your HTML code in the pop-up field. 7 is toggle between HTML to CSS and JavaScript. So you can also embed a Twitter feed using Twitter free embedding tool or by using a website Bigit. So Twitter free embedding tool, go to the Twitter embed page, enter your Twitter link, URL, business handle and hashtag, then copy, paste and embed code. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.